Welcome back, cooks, to our spicy hummus video lesson. Time to rinse the beans. We'll use our magic fresh water source from the sky, but normally you'll do this in the sink. You basically want to gently scrub them to get any deposits off of them from when they come out of the can. Ew, look at that water. For this reason, this is why you'll want to make sure you wash these beans when they come out of the can. Also, shake them. This will get all that water off, and you can pour a little more fresh water on top just to make sure they're thoroughly cleaned. We'll go ahead and shake these very well, and then we're going to set these to the side because now they're clean. So we'll put them over a dry bowl. That way these can dry off while we're preparing our wet ingredients. We have our vegetable stock. We have our better than bouillon. This is going to be the roasted garlic flavor, our canola oil, and lemon juice. We're going to be using our 1 tablespoon size first. We'll grab our bowl. And remember with this, always start off low because you can always add more. So we'll start off with 4 tablespoons of vegetable stock. Again, depending on your consistency, you can add more later while you're mixing. We'll use 2 tablespoons of canola oil and then 1 tablespoon of our lemon juice. This next ingredient, be very careful. Make sure you are using your ½ teaspoon. It is very potent. This will be our better than bouillon roasted garlic flavor. And it can be a little thick, so use a butter knife if you need to get all that good flavor out. Time to whisk. You'll just want to mix this lightly so it has a nice smooth consistency, as we're going to use the Ninja blender to blend all our ingredients up you'll see coming up next. If you don't have a blender, you can do this by hand, but it will take a lot of arm work.